Alright everybody, today we're going to look at a little bit of math review. So this is the core goals for my course. We're going to start off with some adding and subtracting. Let me see if I can zoom my camera in. Okay, that's beautiful. Okay, so over here we're looking at this one says, look, you can put your calculator away. You can do it. These are okay. They're not going to kill you. Alright. 1.4, this means we got 1 and a little more, and this one over here means we got 1 and a little more, so it's going to be 2 and a little more, maybe a lot more, I don't know. So let's put the 0.4, we got 0.4 and 0.5, that means like 4 tenths and 5 tenths. When you put that together, how many tenths do you have? You got 9 of them. Here we go, 9. Then we need a little decimal point there, look at that. And we got a 1 and a 1. Look at this. 1 plus 1 is 2. We can do it. Yeah. This was a nice one, see? Wasn't so bad after all. Didn't even make you have to carry anything over because it wasn't more than 9. Alright. 6.8 minus 2.7. Well, let's see. We got 8 tenths. Subtract away the 7 tenths. We only got 1 left. Oh, that's going to be alright. Here we go. 6. Look at that. We didn't have to borrow anything. See, these ones are being kind to us. It's okay. 6 plus 2. We can do. Oh, not plus. What am I talking about? It's subtracting. This is going to be 4. Okay. Here we go. This one's a multiplying. This one's a little tricky. But I'll tell you what. Look at this. When you multiply by 0.5, that's actually 0.5. We all know that's just 1/2. And we're a little scared of fractions here, so let's just erase that and call it 1/2. There we go. We can write it in words, why not? When you multiply by 1/2, you're just getting half the number. Not a big deal. What's half of 1.2? Well, that's like a 12, except with a funny dot in the middle. It's 12 tenths. So now we're going to have 6 tenths left because it's half. Look at that. See, you can think it like that. If you want to be fancy, you can go fancy. I mean, you can do 1.2 times 0.5 and go left. Here we go. 5 times 2 is 10. And I put a 1 up here and I do this and a this. But then you got to remember, oh, there's one place here, one place here, and the decimal point go there. And it's 0.6. But that's so much work. I don't even want to do that. If I don't have to, I can just think about it, you know? Okay, here we go. 4.5 divided by 5. Well, hold a minute. What if I said it was 45 divided by 5? You might look at your multiplications tables and find out that that's equal to 9. Well, because 5 times 9 is 45. Okay. But this is not 45, it's 4.5. So how many we got? Well, we got 45 tenths, and we're dividing them up by 5, so how many tenths are we going to have? This many, 9. There we go. So this is going to be 0.9. And you know, that's all it is. You just got to think about it. It's okay. Now we're going to, oh my goodness, we're going to add and subtract fractions. Well, let's actually take a break from this video, and I'll come back to that later.